Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I am super excited. I'm going to be changing my cocoa/coffee bar into my Valentine's coffee bar. And I want to share with you guys what I got over at the dollar spot over at Target. And I have another store that I got a few more items from. I'm also going to incorporate my two-tier tray. So let me go ahead and show you what I got to decorate with. These are the items I'm going to incorporate into my coffee bar. So let me go ahead and show you what I found over at Target at the dollar spot. Now I found this You and Me sign for $1. And then a Happy Valentine's Day, I also found this for $1, and it has glitter on all sides. And then I went ahead and purchased these white stands for $1, and I got 3. And then this PS, I love you, was also $1. And then also at Target, I found this ribbon with the little glittery red hearts, and that was $3. And then back here from Target was the cake stand in pink that I purchased for $5. And then I have my two-tier tray that I'll be decorating. And then back here from the Dollar Tree, I got that love sign. And I will spray paint that. Not sure what color I'll use, but that will probably go on the coffee bar. And then this also came from Target, this cup with the little red hearts on it. And then I found the dish towel that says all you need is love and a good cup of coffee. And then these mugs here I bought last year from Target. And then if you can see the little hearts that go around the cup. And then I have these little red glittery hearts, and this one over here says love. And I've had those since last year, so I'm not sure where I got those. They might have came from Hobby Lobby. And then let me show you what I found over at Walmart. Now I was having a hard time finding the straws, the paper straws. And I did look at Walmart, couldn't find them, and I thought, well, let me go back, maybe we'll have some more stuff out. So I ended up finding these for 98 cents. So I was happy about that because I really needed those. And then I picked up these dollar lollipops. And then my idea was these little jars here, I'm going to fill those with candy, and then I'm going to insert the little lollipops and do a little DIY project with them. And then I went ahead and picked up the napkins from Walmart. I went ahead and removed all the items from the coffee bar, and I went ahead and added my mugs, and I added the two-tier tray. So let's go ahead and decorate the two-tier tray and see what I can come up with. I went ahead on the top tray and used the 2 stands, and I used my little Happy Valentine's Day sign and the PS I love you, and then I used the little glittered hearts towards the back. And then I went ahead and added my little dish towel, and then I put my coffee cup off to the side, and then I used my other stand. It says You and Me. So let me go ahead and add a couple more items to the tray. So I went ahead and added the straws to my cup, and then over here I went ahead and put the cake stand here in the middle. Now I'm probably going to fill that with cupcakes. I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. But then I also picked up this paper shred in pink, and I think I'm going to use that over here on the two-tier tray, and I'll fill in the spaces with that. And then I did get these little starry lights. They have little red hearts. So I'm going to see what I can do with them and see what I can come up with. I went ahead and added the paper shreds to my two-tier tray, and I must say that it came out really cute. I love that paper shredding, and I was going to use it for another project, but I think it is perfect for the tray. And then over here, I went ahead and just used my napkins on the cake stand until I make some cupcakes. And then my cake cup holder here, I think I'll make a bow and put that on the front of it. And the only thing left to do, I have to add something to the top of my shelf. I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to make a bow. Now I'm going to probably use about 4 to 5 inches of ribbon, and you can always do more depending on the size of the bow you want. Now I do like using the wired ribbon. This helps make the bow. Now all you want to do is fold the edges down, and then it being wired, that also helps hold it down, but I will come back with some hot glue and put a dab there. And then you do this on both sides. And then all you do is take the middle and you want to gather it. And then you can fan out the sides. And then all you need to do is come back with the glue and in the little folds here is add some glue. And then just hold it there, pinch it there for a minute. And then what I'm going to do is, I have some leftover berries from the holidays, so I'm going to put a little dab of glue here. And then I'm going to add one of my red berries. And just hold that for a minute. And then you can always fix the sides of your bows, and there you have it. It's that easy. So while I'm waiting for my sign to dry, I wanted to go ahead and do another quick little project with you guys. Now I went ahead and got this jar, and it has the holes in it. Now the holes were a little too small for the little lollipops to fit in. So all I did was I took a steak knife and just poked it in the hole and just twisted a little bit till it kind of bent out the holes and made it a little larger. Now all I'm going to do now is just take those little conversation hearts, and I'm going to pour some into the jar, and I'm going to show you what this is going to look like. I went ahead and added the lollipops to the top of the jar, and of course you guys can arrange those in any height that you'd like. So I thought this came out really nice. Now I was hoping to have a larger jar, but I couldn't find one, so I went ahead and used this one anyways to give you an idea of what you guys can do. So let's go ahead and finish up my coffee bar. I found this tray over at the dollar spot over at Target, and it says warm up here, coffee, cocoa, and tea. Now I purchased this for $5, so I thought I would use this in my kitchen. And all I did was I folded a buffalo check napkin and placed it inside, added my Rooster salt and pepper shakers, and added some tea bags. So I decided to move my jars over to the counter, and I'm using my buffalo check napkin, and then I'm using my Relax, Refresh, Renew sign that came off the coffee bar. And I really like this on my countertop here. I decided that I did not want to incorporate my cocoa bar in with my Valentine's coffee bar, but I love the idea of still having this if anybody would love to have some hot chocolate. Bar's all finished, and I must say I love the way it turned out. And I went ahead and sprayed the love sign white and added a bow. And then down here I added the kiss sign that I had from last year to my mugs. And then over here I have my two-tiered tray, and a lot of the items did come from the Target dollar spot. And then over here I have my cake stand, and I went ahead and just placed my napkins on there that say Happy Valentine's Day. And then my lollipop jars that I made. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, happy decorating!